What's up guys and welcome back to another amazing video by JX Scratch. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a about me project. So we're going to make about you, like about you. So first let's pick our background that we like. I think I would like this one because I'm making about me. Now let me pick one, maybe a thing that what I like to code, so I'll type up laptop. And laptop's right here. And then you could put, when this sprite is clicked, you could put I like to code. Say I like to code. I like to code. And then I could choose a camera maybe. Camera. Maybe is there a camera? Let's search it up. There's no camera. But I do like to do piano. So I could put it somewhere over here maybe. And then I could put, when this part is clicked, you could say I like to play piano. I could put it, I like to play piano. I like to play piano. And maybe we can put some piano sound. So let's go to the sounds. Oh, they already have for us. This is electric piano. So let's put it, sounds, play, then let's repeat this 3 times. Let's repeat this 3 times. And then when we 2 times actually. So then when we press, and then I like to play piano. Okay, that's nice. Now let's actually add something to the backdrop. So let's add like a little banner that says about me, or maybe you can put it like your name portfolio. Sorry, my name's Jonathan, so I'm just gonna put it as Jonathan's portfolio. Let's put this like a pixelated, or maybe like, yeah. So let's go here, Jonathan's portfolio. We can put it like that, sure. Let's make it a little bigger. Now let's add like a little square. So let's add like a little rectangle, like behind it. And my favorite color is blue, so maybe I could put it like that. So let's pick blue. And let's just add it here. And if you don't see it, put it behind, because then behind and front is like, if it's front of it, then you can't. So like, let's put this at a, so let's put this as a place I want it. I want it to be here. And let's put the box in front of it. So then you can get like a nice banner. Now let's make a sprite. I'm gonna make it about YouTube because I like making YouTube video for you guys. So I'm just gonna I want to make a sprite. How do I make a sprite? Oh god, that's random. My bad. Yeah, paint. So let's go to red. Let's make this red for YouTube. YouTube is red. And let's make it that. And we can make some white. Let's make this white. No. No. Saturation red. So let's make it this. And then we can put after, then let's put a white. Let's put a white. Yeah. Now let's draw like a little thing. So let's draw this. And let's see if I can fill this in. Okay. let me just add this thing real quick, and yeah, let's just call this YT logo. And then you could put it over here. Maybe you can put it over here and say, and sprite collect, say, I like to make coding videos. I like to make coding videos. Yeah, so I could just randomly pick it. So let me just save this. So let's see. I like to code. I like to make coding videos. I like to play piano. And maybe we could use, maybe let's make maybe at least one more over here. So let's go to sprites and look for some nice things I like. And I'm being totally honest. I like to code. I like to make YouTube videos for you guys. Oh, I can put I like candy. Then let's when fly click, when this sprite is clicked, let's just say I like candy. And let's put here and say I like candy. I like candy. And maybe let's put a sound for like maybe like a munching sound. Munching. Like that, something like that. Oh, never mind. But there, maybe we just put some, now we can put it like to 50 to make it like that. And I like candy, yeah. Let's also put like a sound. So then, when flag clicked, forever, we'll go click on a sound. Huh. So let's pick this one. And then let's put two sounds. Play forever, play classical piano until done. So we okay, that's enough. So actually, let's delete this because if we press on and then later we won't hear the noise. So let's just delete it. And hey, you have now made about me portfolio. Bye. Thank you for watching.